With the holidays fast approaching, let's make an easy berry trifle. With hints of amaretto and raspberry liqueur, it's sure to be a crowd pleaser. Let's start by making our berry mixture. I use 32 ounces of frozen mixed berries that have been slightly thawed. You can use any berries that you like, but I like the triple berry blend myself. I use 1 cup of berry jam. This time I used homemade raspberry. And 1/4 cup Chambord. It's a raspberry liqueur. You can use any berry liqueur you'd like, raspberry extract if you don't want any alcohol, or you can completely omit it and it would still turn out great. Once your berry mixture has been made and set aside, it's time to prep our pound cake. I like to use a good old, tried and true, frozen Sara Lee pound cake. I use the 16-ounce family size one and cube it up into 1-inch squares. Now, you could be a little bit extra and make your own, but I just like to make it easy. And now we're gonna get into probably the most involved part of this, making our Amaretto cheesecake mousse. We'll start with 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. We'll beat that for a little bit to loosen it up, and then we'll add in 1/4 cup Amaretto. Again, you do not have to add alcohol. You can add almond extract, or you can just completely omit it and it would still be delicious. After those have kind of blended together, we're going to add in a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Let that beat for a little bit until blended, and then we'll sprinkle a 3.4-ounce box of pudding mix on there. I use either vanilla or cheesecake flavor, but you can add whatever flavor you want. I'm sure chocolate would do pretty well as well. After that's kind of blended up, we'll slowly add in 2 cups of whole milk. You can use skim milk, but I would definitely not suggest using non-fat milk on it. It would make it a little too runny. After that's all blended, we're gonna put it aside for about 5 minutes until it's slightly thickened. You wanna be able to kind of see a little bit of a trail when you bring your spoon or spatula through it. Once your mixture is soft set, you wanna fold in 8 ounces of whipped topping. Now comes the fun part, assembling your trifle. You can do these in individual glasses to make it easier to serve, or for a nice presentation, use a trifle dish. I tend to use a trifle dish, so then it's a great centerpiece for a holiday dessert. You'll want to start with a layer of your cubed pound cake, then put on about half of your mixed berries, then a layer of your Amaretto cheesecake mousse, and then just continue layering everything till you end with a layer of the mousse. You can stop right there or add a little bit more whipped topping and then decorate. I tend to use fresh berries and a little bit of toasted almond. After assembly is done, you'll want to place your trifle in the fridge for at least 4 hours and up to overnight. Enjoy!